Do you like to work with your hands and use your problem-solving skills to create useful things? If so, then a career in the advanced manufacturing field may be the right fit for you. This 6-quarter Associate of Applied Science degree program also offers short-term certificates in fixture building, job planning, and CNC operator status for those who want to upgrade their current machinist skills or quickly enter the workforce.
My name is Henry Bader. I'm a student here at Bates Tech studying machining. While I was here, I got to interact with a lot of like-minded students, brainstorm, troubleshoot, and connect. The program instructors are here to help us, not just with our academic work, but to help us explore the industry and give us the tools for that. They've been very encouraging and showing interest in the things that we are interested in. We also have opportunities to visit industries out in the wild to meet the owners and managers of these companies and get possible internships. I learned a whole bunch about not just the theoretical side, but how things really work, and that hands-on experience was so valuable to me. We learned how to focus our skills onto real-life applications that we are going to need when we enter the workforce.
When you graduate, you'll have a solid foundational skill set that will prepare you for entry-level and apprenticeship positions in various industries, like the aerospace, medical, energy, and transportation fields.
As I've been in this program, I've realized that the industry out there is bigger than I thought it was. It's broader. There's more opportunity, more things you can do, and more places you can go.
If you're ready to start an exciting career in manufacturing, learn more about the Advanced Manufacturing Career Pathway at Bates Technical College today.